The Horizon Systems Negative Airlift System represents the most sanitary, easy to maintain, and cost-effective solution on the market. It starts with the optional best-in-class Frazer-Nash Sanitary Extruder Hood. With minimal kibble and fines losses, less downtime and low maintenance costs, the Sanitary Extruder Hood provides significant cost savings over time. Metal-to-metal, machine-tight compression couplings ensure consistent product flow and prevent unsanitary buildup. The gasket features die-cut teeth that eliminate internal ledges that can cause product degradation. The clean horizontal product separator provides easy access for inspection, cleaning, and sanitation through a tool-free door. Its low-profile design makes it ideal for a wide range of installations. Component configurations for the negative airlift system can include purified air to preserve sanitation after the kill step, as well as additional air treatments such as ozone. The negative airlift system is precision engineered to boost your profitability. Contact a Horizon Systems representative today to learn more.